How to make money from Twitch TV. Streaming a video game on Twitch. Are you a gamer looking to turn your passion into a source of income? In this video, we'll show you how to make money from Twitch TV. Creating a Twitch account. The first step is to create a Twitch account if you haven't already. Make sure your profile is optimized with a clear and concise bio, visually appealing graphics, and a schedule of your stream times. Setting up their streaming equipment. Set up your streaming equipment including a high-quality microphone, webcam, and a stable internet connection. Make sure your streaming setup is comfortable and visually appealing. Streaming a video game. Stream popular games and engage with your audience through chat. Build a community around your stream by offering value to your viewers and creating a welcoming atmosphere. Joining Twitch's affiliate program. Join Twitch's affiliate program and start earning money through channel subscriptions, ads, and donations. To be eligible for the affiliate program, you need to have at least 50 followers and stream for at least 8 hours over 30 days. Building their brand. Build your brand by creating social media accounts and promoting your stream on other platforms. Consider creating merchandise for your fans and offering personalized shoutouts as a way to increase your income. Ending their stream. By following these tips, you can turn your Twitch stream into a source of income. Start streaming today and see where your passion can take you. Thanks for watching.